Trips to Knightsbridge. Yo, again and again. Right, quick video, man. 2 minutes. This one, 2 minutes. Easy recap. Okay. This should be fucking 15-minute pause, not an eye pause. Okay. Last week we had the break, right, of the swing high, and then this was an internal breakdown, leaving this as our swing high. And so, as simple as ever, we're just following the M15 pullback, right? Easy stuff. We are not yet like at the middle where we'd say probably is better to start looking for buys. So sells at this point still decently high probability, right? And then coming into today, right, we had Asian session right there. We had internal is bearish as well. We have Asian session right here, sweep of the Asian session high, we come down, create this double bottom here, then come back up, right? Fail to create a high within this kind of like order flow here, and then we come down and then we sweep these lows here. We come down here and 15-minute liquidity sweep, like right there, right? Sweeping of that. Oh, we can just put it there, make it easier. Sweep of the 15-minute liquidity. These like is the nearest good POI right there. And then now comes in a question that if you've been with me for the longest of time, you do know that I don't like this, right? A wick break. Generally, I do not trade a wick break like this, man. Generally, I don't. I prefer a break and close, which is better in terms of showing conviction in the market that it really wants to go this way, right? And so today, I guess I made a more, I want to say, impulsive decision with this one. I did consider this, right, in terms of it just being a wick break, but then looking at other factors where I'm saying sells are probably the highest probability right now, decent POI, right, and then we're pulling back. There's no need to wait for M5 minute. Like this is like a straight entry. I decided to take this. Like doesn't look too bad. I think the only difference is this is bad. But then another thing is like, okay, I'm thinking to myself, the internal has pulled back, right, into this area over here. If you look maybe on the 1 hour, this should have been a decent POI. Right there, this is your pivot POI on the 1 hour. Ooh, actually we hadn't hit the 1 hour POI at this point. Here would have been the 1 hour, which ended up getting swept there. So maybe had I looked at the 1 hour POI, it could have been a different mitigating factor, but I didn't. And then, yeah, I think as per usual, I should have just waited for a breaking close, right? Which gives me more confidence. So yeah, basically I thought that, okay, we do have like momentum starting to show that the lows are weak, starting to sweep the lows, which means generally it's gonna sell, and yeah, it did not happen. It's not a bad trade. I'd say low probability, sure, but not bad, right? Probably shouldn't be taking these as well. It's a little disciplined thing, man. I think this month has been very busy, but also bad discipline wise. Not a very good disciplinary month for myself. Very bad discipline wise. And so yeah, we'll have to work on that. But overall, not too bad. I think decent, not decent actually. Maybe just a tad bit below decent, but I think in another time these two end up with now. Yeah, yeah, that's it, man. Peace.